I was doing an internship with a local agency in Virginia around child abuse prevention. And the project they asked me to look into, most of the programs then were focused on moms. It's the primary target for any kind of child abuse prevention. And they'd started to realize maybe there's this other parent in the household that we should also check on. And so they asked me to do a little bit of research on, do dads matter? And should they be trying to include fathers in their child abuse prevention program? Spoiler alert, the answer was yes. When I went back to graduate school, all the classes I took on families and parenting, I realized 90% of what we knew was about mothers, not about fathers. And so
Why do you think that is?
we have this norm in our culture that moms are supposed to be the primary caregivers, right? They're the ones who are the primary taking on the day-to-day of parenting. And so if we wanted to understand parenting and how it affects kids, we should go straight to moms, and dads were sort of optional. Which is interesting because it's a flip from historically when dads were the patriarch and they were the primary ones. And, it dates back to all kinds of different changes that we've seen historically. But right now, we assume that moms were the only ones who had a real influence. We've come to realize in the last 30 years, absolutely not. Dads are also influential and oftentimes uniquely influential in a lot of ways.